Situated in Uvita, two small villas stand atop a jungle-covered hill, designed for short-term rentals on an 11,000 square meter plot, 300 meters above sea level. Each villa, spanning 90 square meters, aims for sustainable, minimalist sophistication amidst lush tropical surroundings. The architecture deliberately contrasts thin, sharp lines with the surrounding vegetation, using materials and colors harmonizing with nature. Despite identical architectural blueprints and layouts, the villas differ notably in their interior design, reflecting distinct energies perceived at the site. Jaspis Villa embodies energy, connecting visually and vibrationally to the ocean and sky with a color palette in sand shades. In contrast, Nefrit Villa resonates with yang energy, grounded in the jungle, reflected in its red terracotta concrete floor mirroring the local soil. Initially unassuming from the exterior, both villas reveal breathtaking ocean views, spacious bedrooms, terraces, and infinity plunge pools upon exploration. Constructed with raw visual materials like rammed earth walls, concrete floors, and frameless glass facades for panoramic views, the design incorporates structural steel H-beams supporting monolithic ceilings. The interiors feature concrete custom-designed furniture and a minimalist approach, devoid of conventional doors except for the large sliding panels in the shower area, which also function as hanger walls with mirrors. The materials were chosen meticulously to withstand the Costa Rican climate and high humidity, requiring the involvement of specialists, such as Terra Compacta from Brazil, to implement unique construction methods like the clay, rammed earth walls, a novel approach in Costa Rica. Inspiration from the Belgian design studio Bram van der Beek is evident in some concrete furniture pieces. Additionally, the interiors boast carefully curated furniture, lighting fixtures, accessories, and art sourced from designers worldwide, emphasizing originality and uniqueness in every element. These villas represent an intricate blend of sustainable architecture, minimalist design, and a profound connection to the energies and natural beauty of their surroundings, offering a tranquil and immersive experience for short-term stays amidst Costa Rica's stunning landscapes.